Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for drawing with an easy method. Canva makes digital art accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. We will explore the simple steps to begin your creative journey. You will learn how to navigate the interface and utilize the basic drawing features to bring your ideas to life. Get ready to transform your blank canvas into a vibrant masterpiece with just a few clicks and strokes. Let's dive into Canva's essential drawing tools. You will find the dedicated Draw tab on the left-hand panel, offering a variety of instruments like pens, markers, and even highlighters. Each tool allows for different artistic expressions. You can easily customize your strokes by adjusting the line thickness, ranging from a fine 1 pixel to a bold 100 pixels. Plus, a vast color palette is available, letting you choose the perfect hue for every detail of your drawing. To elevate your drawings, consider these helpful techniques. Utilizing layers is crucial for organizing your artwork, allowing you to edit individual elements without affecting others. You can build intricate designs by combining simple shapes, transforming circles and squares into complex illustrations. Don't hesitate to experiment with transparency and various blending modes. These features can add depth and unique visual effects to your creations, making them truly stand out. Practice these tips to enhance your digital art. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving and sharing it is incredibly straightforward. Canva allows you to download your finished drawing in several popular file formats, such as PNG or JPG, ensuring high quality. You can also share your creations directly to various social media platforms with just a few clicks, showcasing your talent to the world. Furthermore, Canva facilitates easy collaboration, enabling you to invite others to work on your design projects together, fostering a creative community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.